Dear working moms, welcome everyone to today's Insta Live. The topic is what we face on a daily basis. It is about stress I want to talk today. More so for the working mom. Everyone has stress, whether it's a student, it is a young person or a aged person, or anyone having any role in their life will face one or the other stress. But we want to talk about this working mom stress. Hi Rahul, welcome. So today the topic is about stress release because stress builds up. The main danger with stress is you don't even know that you are undergoing lot of stress. Take for instance my own example or a story. Those were the very difficult days in my life when at the workplace the environment was not conducive, not supportive. There were a lot of expectations, and how much ever I did, I fell short. Whether time wise, energy wise, work wise, how much ever I did, it was not acknowledged, it was not appreciated. Rather, I was blamed for things not done, or everyone was looking for faults, especially my immediate supervisor, my boss used to search for faults and point it out to me. This was a very difficult phase in my life where daily I was feeling like I'm going into a lion's den. That was the exact feeling I had, and I never even knew that daily it was building up, this stress was building up. And I particularly remember one bridge. I was going from one place to other to reach my office. I was a banker earlier and I used to travel a certain distance, and I remember that long bridge which used to come in between my place of stay and my place of work. And this bridge was like, till I reached that bridge, I used to be calm, I used to enjoy the journey. Somehow I was trying to forget, maybe. I didn't know it at that time. Now I realize I was trying to, subdue that and trying to forget or, just overcome the tension happening in my mind that I have to go another day and face another tough day, difficult day. But when the vehicle reached that bridge, I started to feel like a, increased panic, or kind of suddenly my energy became low. I used to become depressed every day when the vehicle passed that bridge. Okay, now I am going to the other side of the bridge and I'm going into that lion's den. That was what I felt like. I'm walking into the danger. And it went on for many, many months. I never even realized, but the stress built up. So actually we have to be aware that this is called stress, this is causing me stress. Otherwise sometimes we are unaware, not that we don't want to notice, but without realizing the stress builds up in us. And suddenly we feel even about small circumstances, you feel as if some danger is coming up. I don't know how to face it. So that kind of a daily panic started to happen to me. So I know I have been through the journey. I had to heal myself. Actually, today I call myself working women's coach and healer. I'm the emotional freedom coach for working moms. But it was not always like that. I was the most weakest person in my emotions, and I did not know how to deal with my problems and the lot of emotions they were bringing. Like I used to get angry at my child, I used to fight with my husband, I used to feel that, in the work environment, why are they not supporting me? Everyone is victimizing me. But later I understood I never stood up for my rights. I never spoke up because I had lost my confidence in myself. So this was my real story and I had to heal myself. This was from years ago. I was a young person, not knowing the things happening around me, like not knowing the true intentions of people, and I suffered because of that. I somehow expected things to change by themselves, which never did, by the way. So today I want to assure every working mom, you need not do it alone like I suffered in my life alone without support. I am your support, I am your guide, whether it is about stress release, whether anger, whether some upset feeling, confusion. Come to me, join us, and I am here to support and guide you. Another example I can share, one of my client, I'll not tell her real name. Let's call her Maya. I maintain the confidentiality of all my clients. I do not disclose their names. So one of my client, we can call her Maya. So Maya came to me with symptoms of palpitations, breathlessness, a lot of anxiety building up, and she did not know how to calm herself down. And it did not happen overnight. So some of the situations were happening in her life, some relationship issues and some work related issues she could not handle. She had huge mom's guilt that how much ever she was there for her kids, something is missing. I want to develop a better connection with my kids. I want to give more time to them. So all kinds of pressure she had as a working mom, parenting pressure, relationship troubles, and can't quit the job because money was important. Money is important, right? So this was the state she was in. She was in panic, and lot of physical health problems started to happen in her breathing, in her confidence. She could not even speak properly to others. She felt like, I cannot handle this. So her stress built up and it caused these kind of aggravated problems. So from simple problems to complex health problems, whether it is BP, whether it is ulcer, heart problem, underlying there is some emotion. If some of you have read this book, You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. It's a very wonderful book. You can actually see a table where she detects certain emotions, how they are linked to your physical ailments. So there's an underlying emotion between this, physical dis-ease. What is disease? It is dis-ease, not being in ease, not being at ease. That is what causes disease, right? So yes, so talking about stress, it has a spectrum of symptoms and problems it causes. What we are looking for is stress release. I'm an emotional freedom coach and I talk about various emotions, how to address that, how to overcome that negative emotion and make it into a positive energy, especially for the working mom who feels, she has to be everywhere. She has to balance so many roles. She cannot, let go of any of the roles. She wants to be the best, but what is stopping her are her own emotions. Sometimes we think it's about others, but let me tell you, it's not like that. Even staying in a problematic environment, you can bring yourself up, you can be assertive, you can say no. Lots of, learnings has to happen. These are all life skills which are not told to us or not taught to us in our college and school. Even we have grown up seeing our mothers, not being so assertive, just saying yes to everything and silently suffering. Let's change all that in our generation. Let's not continue this curse upon women and mothers that she can't exercise her right, she can't live a happy life. We all deserve a happy life, right? Welcome Pim Pom Videos. Thank you for joining. So we are talking about stress release, whether it is due to the balancing role, stress happens and you have to be a high achiever. You don't want to show your weak side to others. You want others to look up to you. Yes, that expectation itself becomes a pressure. And then there is mom's guilt, which we all face, right? Mom's guilt. And the work pressure is also there. And managing all your roles to your satisfaction. At least you should feel happy about your roles. But what happens in this process is the stress builds up. So there is good stress and bad stress, and there's a very thin line between both. Good stress is what motivates you, energizes you to do your task. We all need that inner push, inner drive. But when it becomes too much of a pressure, when you take that pressure, then it turns into bad stress. So it crosses from good stress to bad stress without even you realizing. So I want you to be aware and I want you to aim for stress release, because energy can't be stored inside. Emotion cannot be stored inside. Emotions are energy, and the more you try to subdue it or suppress it, it causes problems in the physical body, in the mindset. And so you want to release this stress. We are talking about releasing the stress, because we don't want stress to aggravate and cause further problems. So what tips I can share with you immediately is, spend more time in nature. Nature is very healing. Even if you are going out in fresh air for 5-10 minutes, it makes a lot of difference. Or go to your favorite places, whether you are a beach person or a mountain person. Which person are you? Are you a beach or mountain person? Share with me in the comment. And please go to whatever places. If you love greenery, go to places with lot of greenery. Nature is the greatest healer. So spend time in nature. I want you to do that. Take a break and be in nature. It's very soothing to connect back to nature. And environment is very important. You need to learn how, in spite of non-supportive environment, you can still be stable. You need not take stress, because maybe someone is blaming you, maybe someone is not approving of you. But what you need to do is, no matter what they think, how can I be stable and not take it seriously? You need not take everyone's comment seriously. If it is draining your energy, you can still maintain your energy by focusing on your own self. You can learn more about this in our 7-day series. It's coming up. 7 days free series for working moms. It's called the Emotional Freedom Program. Please join it. The link is in the bio. Register for the same. All the details are there. Just click on the link in the bio and register for our free series for working moms. So in spite of the difficult environment, you can protect yourself, you can be stable, and you can handle your stress, you can release your stress. And I also think our working moms, all the working moms, we always say yes to a lot of things and we lose our priority. So it's okay to say no, it is okay to be assertive, and it's okay to prioritize your peace of mind rather than the demands of others. All this is easy to say, but it takes some effort and learnings to implement it. So I want you to join our 7 days free series for experiencing the emotional freedom. Don't miss it. It's going to be a very, very lovely session with full of valuable practices you can implement in your daily life and achieve freedom from your stress, anxiety, anger, and all the emotions which are blocks in your life on a daily basis. There are many blocks happening. Without these negative emotions, you can excel in your life. I want you to be happy in your life. Register for the 7-day series for working moms. It is called the Emotional Freedom Program. The link is in my bio. See you tomorrow in the next Instagram live with another very important topic which will help the moms. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.